Welcome dudes and dudettes to another video where I'm going to show you how you can get an email that you've sent back, but only in Gmail and only when you're really quick. So let's hop into our Gmail account, the one that I have set up just for this purpose, and we can compose a simple email. I can even send it to myself. I hate you, or do I? And if you click send, you have a short window in which you can basically undo what happened right here. So let's have a look. If I click send, now you see that it immediately almost comes into my inbox, but you can also see here that it says undo, which I was too slow now, and it's gone. It is gone. So now you see, oh, I misspelled my name entirely. Whatever, but you see that you only have a short period of time in which you can actually undo what just happened here. So let's just do that again. I delete what is in my inbox right now and write it again. This time I'm gonna spell my email correctly, and now I'm all angry, I'm so upset, I hate you, I want nothing to do with you, boo. So now I click send and you see it comes immediately into my inbox. But if I click undo right now, it's gone. And I basically got it back. But you see, the window is really small. You have to be really quick in order for this to work. And yeah, rather read a few more times through your stuff, because the likelihood of you getting the email back after you noticed 5 hours later that something is wrong with it is very small. Very small. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. That's mainly something that works with Gmail and G Suite in that regard, but not really for other email providers, but at least something, right? So check your emails twice, people, and I hope that was helpful. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.